Hey, it's Patrick from JMP Cycles. I'm gonna show you how to install Letric Lighting's Switchback fairing turn signals. This is a pretty slick upgrade. As you can see, I have our road glide here, and it replaces this black plastic piece right next to the vent, and it turns it into a plug and play turn signal. It looks good, and it adds a little bit of visibility, which is always a good thing. As you can see, I have the outer fairing off, and I'll put a link in the description to our video that we already showed you how to take your outer fairing off. So now that we've gotten this far, we're a couple of screws away from getting these installed. We're going to need a T20. We're gonna take out the T20 on the top and bottom of each one of these pieces of plastic, and we're gonna put these in their place. You can't really screw it up. There's a little peg on each one that connotates which side it goes to. So we'll get our T20, we'll get our pieces off, and we'll start to get our new ones installed. So it comes with some shorter Phillips screws to install these. Once we get them in, we're gonna route this wire up towards the top of the fairing. And where we unplugged our turn signals from when we took the fairing off, we're gonna plug our new light in, and it's gonna leave us a little tail to re-plug in the fairing turn signals that are mounted on the outside. Pretty simple installation for a pretty significant upgrade. I always love doing lighting stuff. Visibility is always a good thing. These actually add to the aesthetics of the bike, so it's a win-win. As always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop us a comment. Go work on those motorcycles.